The health benefits of turmeric and its medicinal uses. Turmeric is a golden-coloured root also known as curcuma longa and was originally grown in India. This has been used for over 5,000 years as a cooking spice and is one of the most powerful natural medicines on earth. Turmeric is the ingredient that gives curry its yellow colour and is used heavily in Ayurvedic and Chinese traditional medicine. In today's video, we will explore 27 facts and benefits of turmeric root and explain how it affects the human body. 1. Inflammation. Turmeric contains a very powerful natural ingredient called curcumin, which helps to fight chronic inflammation in the body. This has been scientifically shown to be one of the most powerful anti-inflammatories found in nature and can be as effective as ibuprofen for treating joint pain, muscle pain, arthritis, bone pain and fibromyalgia. 2. Blood sugars. Many of the health benefits of turmeric come from its ability to help control blood sugar levels. It has been shown to help regrow beta cells in the pancreas and boost insulin sensitivity. This is very helpful for those with high blood sugars, diabetes type 2 or pre-diabetes. 3. Weight loss. Turmeric is perhaps most well known for helping people to lose weight more quickly and effectively. By helping to reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity, turmeric helps you to tap into your own fat reserves for energy and burn off those extra pounds. Taking a daily capsule supplement or sprinkling this over delicious meals can rapidly speed up weight loss. 4. Clogged arteries. Turmeric has been used for thousands of years in Ayurveda and Chinese medicine to strengthen the heart and heal the arteries. Modern studies show that this helps to reduce inflammation in the arteries by unclogging buildups of plaque. This can help the blood to flow more freely around the body and protect the heart and brain. 5. Depression. The active ingredient in turmeric called curcumin has been shown to help treat those suffering with depression. Studies show that taking a daily supplement of curcumin is as effective as common prescription antidepressants commonly known as Prozac or fluoxetine. 6. Face mask. As turmeric is a powerful antioxidant, it helps to treat multiple skin conditions. Many people use this as a face mask mixed with a little raw honey to help treat dark circles, fight acne, psoriasis, and reduce areas of redness in the skin. It is often added to many natural skin creams and helps to destroy harmful bacteria on the face. 6. Eczema. Turmeric creams can also be applied to the skin to help those suffering with eczema. Studies show that using turmeric cream for 4 weeks reduces skin scaling and itchiness by 30% or more. 7. Scabies. You can use turmeric as a natural medicine to treat scabies. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder with a few drops of lemon juice to form a smooth paste. Apply this to the affected area for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it off. This can effectively cure scabies in 15 days. 8. Anti-cancer. Taking turmeric internally may also help to prevent against certain types of cancer. Studies show that the active ingredient curcumin is able to fight prostate cancer, bowel cancer, and pancreatic cancer amongst others. For this reason, we highly recommend adding turmeric as a tasty spice in your healthy recipes often. 9. Liver health. Research shows that taking turmeric extract helps to detoxify the liver and heal it from fatty liver disease. It does this by boosting antioxidant activity in the liver by increasing glutathione and SOD compounds in the body. Protecting the liver is vital with age as it is one of the most important organs needed for your health. 10. Kidney health. Those who suffer with chronic kidney disease often have an urge to itch and scratch the skin. Turmeric has been shown to help reduce itchiness when taking alongside black pepper or long pepper for 4 weeks. Its antioxidants help to improve kidney function and protect these internal organs. 11. Teeth whitening. The powerful natural compounds in turmeric can also be used to fight oral bacteria in the mouth. This helps to whiten the teeth naturally and reduce soreness and redness in the gums. Mix 2 parts turmeric to 1 part coconut oil and 1 part baking soda. Brush your teeth with this mixture 2 minutes per day and rinse very well with water. 12. Hair growth. If you wish to grow longer, healthier hair, then using a turmeric hair mask can help. Simply mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder to 3 tablespoons of olive oil to make a paste. Massage this into the roots for 2 minutes and rinse. Perform this treatment twice per month to help nourish and strengthen hair follicles. 13. Immunity. We highly recommend consuming lots of antioxidant-rich spices such as cloves, turmeric, cinnamon, and ginger to strengthen your immune system. Consuming these helps to activate B cells, T cells, and macrophages that help to fight infections like the common cold. Drink turmeric tea once per day to help protect the body, or 3 to 4 times per day when you are sick. Feel free to add a little stevia for sweetness if you do not like the taste. 14. Sore throat. Indian scientists found that gargling with a mixture of turmeric and salt water helps to cure a sore throat faster when suffering with a cold. Mix 1/2 a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/2 a teaspoon of salt in a glass of water. Gargle with these 3 times per day to help soothe the throat and reduce inflammation in the internal skin. It also reduces mucus and the buildup of phlegm. 15. Urinary function. Since turmeric is an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory spice, it can help to prevent bladder infections before they occur. This is excellent if you suffer with urinary tract infections every so often. 16. Prostate health. Aging men often suffer with prostate problems such as enlarged prostate, BPH, or prostatitis. Consuming lots of antioxidant-rich spices like turmeric helps to fight off inflammation in these organs because they are rich in natural phytochemicals and healing compounds. 17. Inflammatory bowel disease. Early studies suggest that turmeric may also help those suffering with irritable bowel disease. It naturally helps to soothe problems with the lower digestive tract and can help to reduce moderate levels of ulcerative colitis. We also recommend consuming ginger, a spice in the same family as turmeric, for soothing the digestive system. 18. Concentration. Many people suffer with blood sugar problems because we tend to consume too many junk foods and refined carbohydrates. This leads to problems with concentration and brain fog, especially in children. Turmeric helps to boost memory and concentration levels by helping to control insulin and blood sugars. 19. Brain health. Alzheimer's disease and other forms of neurodegenerative diseases are often caused by oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Consuming turmeric and many of the spices we discuss in our videos helps to protect against these diseases and protect the brain long term. 20. Anti-aging. Many people in Eastern countries consume turmeric and other spices regularly to help fight the effects of aging. The rich contents of antioxidants reduces oxidative stress on the body, which helps them to stay looking younger for longer. 21. Absorption. The problem with turmeric is that its active compound called curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body. To help absorb this, add a little black pepper every time you consume this. Black pepper contains piperine, which boosts the bioavailability of curcumin by 2000%, allowing your body to absorb this into the blood quickly. 22. Turmeric tea. Going back thousands of years, turmeric tea has been consumed as a natural tonic to enjoy many of the health benefits listed today. Simply mix 500 milliliters of water with 1/2 a teaspoon of ground black pepper and 1 teaspoon of turmeric in a pan. Simmer for 5 minutes and then drink every morning before breakfast. Always use organic turmeric, as some cheaper varieties may not be as effective. The black pepper helps your body to absorb the curcumin and compounds inside the turmeric. 23. Golden milk. Alternatively, you can make golden milk with 250 milliliters of unsweetened milk of your choice, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, and 1/2 a teaspoon of ginger powder. Add a pinch of black pepper and some honey or stevia for sweetness. Allow this to simmer for 5 minutes and then drink. 24. Turmeric capsules. If you do not like the taste of turmeric, you can purchase capsules to take on a daily basis. These are easier to consume on the go if you do not have the time to make the fresh tea. Always choose a brand with added black pepper or piperine for absorption. Alternatively, you can purchase a curcumin supplement, a more concentrated version. 25. Food. Turmeric is an absolutely delicious cooking ingredient and is often the base for healthy curries. We also recommend using it in stews, stir-fries, over salads, and it also works well in homemade burgers. 26. Side effects. Some people report that turmeric makes acid reflux worse. You should not take medicinal amounts of turmeric if you are pregnant, only regular amounts consumed in its food base. If you have gallbladder problems, turmeric may worsen the condition. Always consult your doctor if you are taking any existing medications or are undergoing surgery. As you can see, turmeric is a fantastic healing spice with a deep history in India and Eastern countries. In our other videos, we discuss the benefits of many other superfoods, especially herbs, spices, and tonics. To learn more about nutrition and herbal medicines, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.